Hey everyone, it's Laura. It's time to make some fabric ghosts. You can use any fabric for this, just make sure it's a square. You're going to mix glue and water, 1 part glue, 1 part water. So just fill the little cup that I gave you with water after you've dumped the glue in a bowl. Make sure it's a bowl that people don't eat out of. Just a good choice there. And wash it when you're done. So stir your glue together, then you're going to drench your fabric. When your fabric is soaked completely in this mixture, squeeze it out and drape it over your balloon. You want the balloon set in a bottle or a cup. Give it time to dry. Once it's completely dry, you can add some eyes to it that you make with the adhesive felt that I threw in this kit, and then use the fishing line to hang it wherever you want. You can make a ghost army if you want. All you need is square fabric that's kind of lightweight. So make a bunch of these, hang them around your house, and have a lovely spooky Halloween.